Sometimes you need something simple, but highly creative. So this is the Ultra Twin G isolation bag system. The G stands for gas or vapor LELs. What we have here is a double block and bleed bag system with an annulus in between to be able to check for LELs in between the bags. It also has an upstream monitor to monitor the LELs and any pressure from the upstream side of the bag. It operates on an umbilical that allows you to inflate and monitor each isolation bag separately. Now, when you don't need to hydrotest and you are simply needing to do an isolation, this is an affordable and fast way to not have to carry, lift, and install plugs into locations where a simple LEL isolation, double block and bleed, is all you need. And so this is the Ultra Twin G isolation bag system. It has an inner latex bag and then an outer Nomex and Kevlar stitching with pull tabs so that you can pull it through the system where you need it and then activate it from outside the piping system.